Hello everyone. Before we begin, I want to tell you that all these tips come directly from technicians at this highly respected appliance repair shop in the city. So don't worry, this issue can be solved. The 22E error in Samsung refrigerators is one of those that almost always points to an air circulation problem inside the system. Many customers come in saying, the freezer is still cold, but the refrigerator stopped cooling properly and the 22E code appeared. And from the very beginning, we know the issue is usually related to internal airflow. In the workshop, technicians explain that this code appears when the system detects that cold air is not circulating properly between the freezer and the rest of the refrigerator. Continuing with what we see every day, some customers say, I hear the refrigerator running, but I don't feel any air inside. In these cases, the first thing we check is the evaporator fan, because it is responsible for moving cold air throughout the system. Technicians often say, if the fan is not pushing air, one section may stay cold while another becomes warm. This fan can stop working due to wear and tear or even ice buildup around its blades. As we go deeper into diagnostics, we also find customers who say, the freezer started making a strange noise and then it stopped cooling like before. Here we begin checking for ice buildup on the evaporator because when the defrost system fails, ice can grow until it blocks the fan. Workshop technicians explain that this is one of the most common causes of the 22E error, since the ice physically prevents air from moving through the unit properly. On the other hand, there are cases where customers mention, the freezer works fine, but the lower refrigerator section is warm. In these situations, we inspect the internal air ducts, which are responsible for channeling cold air from the freezer into the refrigerator compartment. A technician explains it simply. If air cannot pass through the ducts, the system becomes unbalanced and the error appears. Even a small blockage can significantly affect performance. Continuing with what we see in the shop, some customers also say the issue started after a defrost cycle or a power outage. In these cases, we check the automatic defrost system, because if it fails, ice builds up again and eventually blocks airflow. Technicians explain that some Samsung models have received improvements in this system to enhance performance, but when it fails, the impact is directly felt in internal ventilation.